Let's talk about some home remedies to get rid of fleas and how to use them. There aren't a great deal of home remedies that work for fleas. Fleas are really resistant. So some of the things that you can do at home to help out would be, number one is vacuum, and vacuum a lot. Fleas love to get inside of carpets and dig down deep, and it's very difficult sometimes without vacuuming to get rid of an infestation. So a simple home remedy is vacuuming. The second thing is going to be getting rid of anything that fleas can bed in, such as bedding, towels, things like that that are folded up or where animals like to lay, and washing that type of bedding quite often is also another good way to get rid of fleas. A controversial home remedy would be brewer's yeast on the food, especially for dogs. That seems to work in some cases, doesn't seem in others. We do not recommend using garlic, which is a frequent thing that you might see on the internet as far as home remedies for fleas. Basically, there is another thing that you could potentially use, which is Skin So Soft, which is a type of shampoo that is placed on dogs primarily, and some people seem to think that basically will prevent fleas from jumping on or at least attaching on. But again, it's not very well proven. So the basic things are going to be revolving around home care, vacuuming, getting rid of bedding, any place that fleas are going to want to live, and then using products on your pet, which we'll talk about, to try to kill those fleas off.